Hi Drastic Cuties! Today we're going to draw my new and hopefully improved Rudolph. So let's get started. To draw this cute little reindeer, we're going to first start by drawing the top of his head. So we're going to come here and just draw a soft curve. And I'm just going to bring this curve down from kind of like my dumpling shape that I give to all my characters. But this one's going to be a little bit longer. So I'm just going to bring it down more. And about right there, I'll start to bring it in. And connect it. There, so it's just basically aiming to have this longish dumpling shape. And then from there, let's bring Rudolph to life right here. We're going to come towards the center and a little bit past the midpoint, so about right here. We're going to draw a big oval. So for his nose, I'm come right here. Just give myself a curve first and just bring this around. So if you want, you can make it more circular, but it's all up to you. But this drawing right here, I'm just going to try and make it an oval. So his nose is a little bit bigger. Okay, so I have my oval in for his big red nose. And then let's come up right here and we're going to draw his eyes. So just about right here, draw 2 circles. And another one right here. Okay, so then let's make these draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. There, got the eyes in, so I'm going to come up here with a little curve on top of each eye. And let's give him a sweet little smile. So right underneath his nose, give him a wide curve and cap it off. And then when you're coloring his nose red, just give it a little highlight when you're coloring it. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to come to the side about right here and just pop out his ears. It's just a curve, but right there, round it off and bring it back in. And then come right here and just going to draw another detail right here, curve that comes in. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So drag some points across. Right there. And we're going to do the same thing. Curve it down. Right there. And then bring it in. Oops. I went too low. Okay, I'll fix that. There. And then come back up here. Draw another curve. Okay, so now let's draw his antlers. We're going to come up in this area and draw 1 antler going this way. So about right here. Just draw 2 very slight angle lines. And we're going to draw a very simplified antler. So it's just a curve. And then the center one that curves up. And then another. There. So same thing on this side. So about right here. Try to aim for the same thickness. So same thing. Just 1. Go up to the center. And another one. There. And then now let's draw his cute little body. So I'm going to come right under his head right here in the center and just draw two slight curves. So this is basically his collar. And I'm just going to connect it with a curve. And I'm going to come in here and draw 4 circles for the bells. There. Okay, so then now let's draw his body. So I'm going to start where the collar is and just drag down a curve. And then just go ahead and bring it down a little bit more, and I'm going to connect it. So about right there, I'll go ahead and connect it. And then let's come in here, we're going to give it an inside. So very lightly, we're just following our outside line. And then now let's draw his arms right here. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve that comes down. And about right there, I'll connect it in. And then draw his hooves. So very slight little dip in. So same thing over here. Just a curve down to his side. So I want to make sure it's about the same level. So about right there, go ahead and connect it. And once again, slight dip and connect. Now for his feet, so I'm going to come right in the center and draw 2 curves that come down. And right here, come down. So it's thinner at the bottom. Oh, right there, and I'm going to add a curve for his hoof. And put a straight line down. So same thing over here. And then, of course, I gotta add a heart, right? So right here, almost forgot. I'm gonna add a little heart here for my new and hopefully improved Rudolph. So there, that's pretty much it for this new and hopefully improved Rudolph that I drew years ago when I first started my channel. Thank you so much for the continual encouragement to improve. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.